नमस्कार सभी को. This video I have taken up numericals based on 6 cases which we had already seen in my previous video. Okay, so the cases of par and repayable at premium and all sort of cases which we had already seen. This video is just a numerical version of that theory, which will help you to get a clear insight how to apply the method and how to apply seeing the questions, what sort of entries we have to pass and how to make the calculation. So first I would like to start with the important points which is a part of this lesson where as you can see, the first point, debenture account is always credited with the face value or nominal value of the debentures. As we have seen, whenever we pass entry, many times I have repeated this, the debenture account should always gets credited with the nominal value. Second point is premium on redemption of debenture is a personal and a liability account as well. Actually, premium on redemption is a personal account as per the traditional classification, and it is a liability account as per the modern classification. So traditional classification and modern classification has named premium, has put premium on redemption of debenture into personal account and liability account respectively. Then the third point is this account of premium on redemption showed in the equity and liabilities part of the balance sheet. You have to show it under the equity and liabilities part of the balance sheet under non-current liabilities and subhead other long-term liabilities if debentures are shown as a long-term borrowings. If debentures specifically mentioned in the question as a long-term borrowings, so where we have to show it, where we have to disclose is under the subheading other long-term liabilities, which is covered under non-current liabilities. That two entire things will be coming under equity and liabilities part of the balance sheet. Now this is about when it is treated as a long-term liabilities. Now when debentures are shown as a current maturities of long-term dates, premium on redemption of debenture is also shown under the head current liabilities and subheadings under and subhead other current liabilities. The very simple and understandable language, you can just go through and understand where you have to show. If it is been shown as current maturities, that means it is not a long term. Current maturities of long term debentures and a premium of debentures, in that case premium on redemption of debenture is also shown under the head current liabilities. This premium redemption will be coming under the current liabilities and subheadings followed under the subheadings of other current liabilities. Now the fifth point, the amount of losses on issue of debenture is debited to the separate account called loss on issue of debenture account. So the amount of loss on issue of debenture has to be debited into a separate account which is called loss on issue of debenture account. Now this, remember, this loss on issue of debenture account is a capital loss, hence this has to be written off. Priority should be given to the capital reserve first if the balance exists, or if it is if the balance is insufficient or inadequate, then you have to go for the securities premium reserve. After that, the last priority should be given to the statement of profit and loss account. First written off should be from the capital reserve, followed by securities premium reserves, and then statement of profit and loss reserve. Now let's look into the question. As you can see, 10% debentures, this is given the face value, and issued price is mentioned and redemption amount is mentioned. So the first case is 10% debenture of 100 rupees each issued and repayable at 100. That means issued at par and redemption at par. So what entry you have to pass? Always remember, the first entry should be the receipt entry. So bank account debited to debenture application account, and whatever the amount is given in the issued, right, the issued amount will be entered here, like 100 and 100 in both the cases. Receipt entry showing the issued at par. Now the second entry, debentures application account debit to 10% debentures account, since redemption at par, the same amount will be written here. Now second entry, second case speaks about 10% debentures 100 rupees each issued at 95 and repayable at 100. So the issue price is 100, whereas face value is 100 and the issued price is 95. If your issue price is less than your face value, then it is the case of discount. So the question becomes issued at discount and redemption at par. So again the same thing, first entry, the receipt entry, bank account debited to debenture application. Since in this question the issued amount was 95, so here we will be taking 95. Okay, then second, Second entry will be bank debenture application account debited, discount and issue of debenture account debited to 10% debenture account. Why? Because it is a redemption at par and issued at discount. Therefore, this discount is a loss, hence it is debited. Then, third, 10% debenture of 100 rupees issued at 105. If your issue price is greater than your face value, then it is a case of premium. So, issued at premium, redemption at par. Let's see. First entry is your receipt entry: bank account debited to debenture application account with 105 rupees. Because this is the issue amount. Therefore, issued amount is mentioned here. Then, debenture application account debited to 10% debentures account to securities premium account. So 10% debentures account shall always be credited with the nominal value, and security premium is 5 mentioned in the question. So this is this third case entry. Then fourth case, 10% debentures 100 rupees each, issued at 100, repayable at 105. That means issued at par, redemption at premium. Issued at par and redemption at premium. So number 4, bank. First, your receipt entry: bank account debited to debenture applications with 100 rupees because we have issued it at par. Then next, debenture application account debited, loss on issue of debenture account debited to 10% debentures account to premium or redemption of debenture. Remember, the premium which you are paying during the redemption is a loss, and as per the prudence concept of accounting, where it is mentioned if you have a loss in coming future, it is better to record it now. Therefore, under this account, loss on issue of debentures, we are showing the amount of premium which we have to pay during the redemption, and the same premium we have shown here, the premium or redemption of debentures. So if you are paying, if anything is going, redemption is at premium, so remember to open this account on loss on issue of debenture. Then fifth point, 10% of 100 rupees each issued at 95 and repayable at 105. That means issued at discount, since the value is less than face value, issued at discounts and redemption at premium. So what entry we have to pass? First entry, as usual, the receipt entry: bank account debited to debenture application with 95 because this is the issue price. The debenture application account debited, loss on issue of debenture account debited, discount on issue of debenture account debited to 10% debenture account to premium redemption account to premium on redemption of debentures account. So debenture application, this amount will be again repeated. Loss on issue of debenture because we are redeeming it at premium of 5, and discount on issue because we have issued the debentures at a discount of 5. Discount is 95 and your issue price is 95, so 100 minus 95 is 5, therefore the discount is 5, and repayable is 105, so 105 minus 100 gives you 5 is the premium, therefore to premium redemption is 5. Then the last case, where 10% debenture of 100 rupees each issued at 105 and repayable at 110. That means issued at premium and redemption at premium. So in this case, again, first is your receipt entry: bank account debited to debenture application with 105. Then debenture application account debit. Then loss on issue of debentures account debit to 10% debentures account to securities premium to premium or redemption of debentures. So debenture application amount, this amount will be coming here. Loss on issue of debenture account, that represents the premium which you have to pay during the redemption. So this amount and this amount shall always remain same. Premium or redemption of debentures account. To debentures account, here the value will be of nominal value, and to securities premium of 5 because issued at issue price at premium. So this 5 rupees premium has shown here securities premium account at 5. Remember, though I have not mentioned here the narration, but you have to write, if whenever you pass journal entry, narration is an important part of that. So whatever entry you are making, just make a narration, like being cash received, being cash received against a debenture application. Here you have to pass being application money transfer to the 10% debentures account. This is how you have to make the narration of each and every entry.